Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my drawings of ballet dancers, and this time it's of the male form and the different poses that they are posing, believe it or not. So I'm just going to get on with it. Please let me know if you want to know what the different terms that I'm using mean, and I'd love to hear from you. So I utilised good speed, less pressure and less lines. I simplified the whole drawing and utilised geometric and observational with a slight bit of gestural. I used that for all three sketches, and some I ran out of space, specifically this one, and this one is far too bulky and not in proportion as well, so the lines should have been further up and more condensed. But these videos are also to keep myself accountable and basically monitor my sketches and see where I need to improve, and also share my learning experiences and also the skills that I'm acquiring, and also see if anybody else is using these skills and also learning methods and what you would utilise to produce more effective learning or sketches. If that makes sense. Probably doesn't. I think I need a coffee. Anyway, so yeah, so if anybody wants to know what these are, like geometric or observational methods for sketches, let me know. But also let me know what you think. I would like to hear from fellow artists and how you approach more complex or more difficult. I mean, these might not be difficult to others, but this is the first time really that I am approaching this type of topic, which is dancers mid-dance and pulling very, very kind of complex positions and poses. As you know, ballet dancers are super flexible and extremely strong, so I'm trying to emphasize like where the shoulder bones are or ribs, and also where the actual muscles are as well, which for the male dancers, most of the time they've either got like no top on or really skin tight bottoms. Obviously, like for the girls, they've got like their wee tutus or their leotard on, so it's basically, I was just trying to emphasize where the actual muscle groups would be. So that's more kind of like gestural. So yeah, I've also tried to utilize my mind's eye, because I've been sketching and approaching this topic like bodies and faces for a while. Then I've just been trying to basically get the best outcome as quickly as possible as well. Let me know what you think, and I shall see you next time. See you later, bye.